Hello, I'm in a 2012 Kia Rio, and today I'm going to show you how to refill your gas. So first we'll go in, and you should see a little lever down here that'll release that safety cover. So we'll pull that, and now you can see it's popped. So we'll open this up, and make sure nothing's bent or stuck it up in here that's making this not want to swing. But this plastic piece here was on this. This is that safety that was released. But now that we're here, just unscrew, and then if you're at the gas pump, stick in here and fill like normal. Make sure you use the proper gas. I typically use like an 87 grade unleaded regular. So, and then screw back on, make sure it's tight. But that's it. And then if it's helpful, that's what this all looks like. And when you're done, close it up, and now that safety is activated again. So if we need back in, we'll have to go hold that little lever again. But I hope that's helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.